Almond oil has been a trusted beauty secret for ages, offering many benefits for your skin, hair, and nails. Let's explore 10 reasons why almond oil can be your go-to natural solution. Almond oil is a natural moisturizer. Applying a small amount can keep your skin soft, smooth, and well hydrated, especially during those dry months. If your hair feels dull or tangled, a few drops of almond oil can transform it, adding a shiny, smooth texture. It's perfect for taming frizz and keeping your hair healthy. Dealing with irritated skin? Almond oil works wonders in calming itchiness and inflammation, making it ideal for sensitive skin. For strong, unbreakable nails, almond oil is your best friend. Massaging it into your cuticles can help keep both your nails and cuticles nourished and healthy. Almond oil doubles as a gentle face cleanser. It removes dirt and makeup without stripping away your skin's natural moisture. Worried about dark circles under your eyes? Applying a bit of almond oil regularly can help lighten those areas, giving you a refreshed look. Dry, chapped lips? Almond oil acts as a natural lip balm, leaving your lips soft, smooth, and moisturized. Not only does almond oil make your hair shiny, but it also strengthens the strands, preventing breakage and promoting healthy hair growth. Got a small cut or scrape? Almond oil helps soothe and heal the skin by keeping the area moisturized, speeding up the healing process. If you're struggling with a dry, itchy scalp, almond oil is a great natural remedy to add moisture and soothe the irritation. Remember, while almond oil is full of benefits, it's important to use it carefully, especially if you have nut allergies. Always check with your doctor before using almond oil on your skin or hair, particularly if you have any health concerns. In summary, almond oil is a versatile oil that can nourish your skin, strengthen your hair, and even protect your nails. Whether you're looking to moisturize, heal, or soothe, almond oil is a natural powerhouse that can do it all.